I think the reality is that we live in a really divided society right now. It's a very fractured society. This is not the way it's supposed to be. And people don't trust each other across disagreements. We tend to see things primarily through a political framing first,
Hmm.
and we tend to have a great deal of distrust when we feel like there's actions being taken by powerful people that we distrust.
Hmm.
And I think that the church has been very susceptible to this. The African American community has been too. Everyone has really been suffering from this. It's really across the board. And I think one thing that I hope you take hold of, and I'm pretty sure you'll agree with me, frankly, as students listening in, is that this is really nuts. We need a better way to deal with this. We need a better way to work through this. That this is a fractured society. We need something better. We need
Hmm.
to see something. We need to be praying for God's kingdom to come here on earth, and for His will to be done here as it's done in heaven. And
Hmm.
that's really what we need. We need something better. And here's the thing where I get a lot of hope. I talk to people your parents' age, and I have mixed feelings at times, to be honest. But when I talk to people your age, I think I can't see you in the audience because this is Zoom, right? But when I do, I see it in your faces, and I'm pretty sure it's true. I think you know that this is not the way the world is supposed to be. I think you know you want something better. I think you're gonna do better than your parents' generation, and I think that gives me a great deal of hope.
Hmm.